they are people. So we'll see courts go. You never know anything. The day of court days, you know, you have many people you have lied against in this. You see the way they beat us about in court. The way they beat us about that year. For this abroad, now so they will beat you. UK women, when we say you lie upon them, now all of us go the court too. When it goes sex. Do you think I'm afraid of courts? Do you know what is called courts? Have you go court before? The court where you go where you sit down for house. Have you ever presented court premises? Have you ever faced judge? It's not the talk you talk on social media. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go this one.
Jesus. Give the information.
Umayara, he get one man when he hold Ebola. The man wife come provoke. Now he come they swear for people where they doubly say that they give the woman information about between her with the man. He said the man with his wife doing something. He said the man with his wife, they doing something. Ask me what they doing. He said the man, or he said he platform, he they use and judge everybody, and nothing they happen. He said not be say the man follow I enter bedroom oh. He just dey in your room oh. Now the man else come. You hear? He said the man. Oh God, wait. He said the man. Just hear do. Oh, where's the video now? Stop now. Oh, Beatrice, you remove the video. Why now? Oh God, this is not play again. No, they go report this thing. You see, they know this thing. Na kpakpak popo. I don't already record that dance. Na kpakpak popo. Why not complain now? Kpakpak popo. He said, can you imagine a married woman that have a wife, another wife, they stand for another man. You never feel stand for your husband. They go stand for another man. His wife not there. He said he keep secret for the man. Because the man, they say the man allegedly, he pregnant one girl. As he pregnant one girl, yeah, allegedly, he come buy medicine for them to give the girl, make the belly come out. What's the end of the girl? Akpakpak popo. Akpakpak popo, my people. Now it can be the end of the girl. You see, huh? It can't help her clear the girl come off for road. Una know where they go. The man tell her say he won't make everything silent. Make everything good. He can't really do it. The girl, they can't delete her for this life. They delete the girl. He can't help her keep the secrets. As the girl take deletes. You understand? As the girl take delete come on for this life. He buy the medicine, give the girl. Because he was pregnant. He can't help the man. Delete her. Come on for this life. Is it not a criminal offense? It's a criminal offense. But he won't carry me go court. When you know say get all this of via akpakpak popo. Una yell.
So compano agisive poloa. They say, and they use after make money. They are nothing they will talk about it. You are so hard.
The man that can't challenge and say, why you they use them? They make money with the topic. The thing when we do hide. You are now using it to make money on social media.
You are not a truthful woman. You don't have God in you.
Yeah.
If you have God in you,
What happened?
you will have wisdom. Because God gives wisdom to anyone he truly loves. Because you don't have God.
He loves you because you delete somebody come up for life.
That's why you don't have wisdom. Look how proudful you are today.
He was proud because the woman is proud with her husband.
You don't want to be record. If I don't record, I know die.
He record the woman when the woman was given back to back.
But this is my work.
It's your work. That's why he pay you so much. Because here is your work. That's why he pay you so much. But when you know a place of your working place, you are using it to eat. Not everybody you have to face. Face the truth. Face the fact. Don't use it to lie on someone. When you know what you do, I'm innocent of it. That patient come to you, he lie for you. You didn't say, okay, let me call this woman. End of the day, you start using me to make money. It will never be well with you.
After your husband negotiated with me,
your husband
really came to negotiate with me. And said, Monica, I will give you so you off your social media and enter house.
You hear? So tell the man can't tell and say, off your social media, get inside, I will give you money. He collected the money. He's upon up. He not get inside. He not still get inside though. But they were accusing her for surrogacy.
I said, what? He said, yes. All of them say enter house. One all of want is you enter house. Every platform say enter house. You just enter house. I will give you so amount. Even in it's a chicken change.
Guys, start commenting. Guys, comment, love and like. Yeah. Don't stop putting love. You can put it 100 times. Not me.
He said, thank God, Baba. It's a dangerous man. We want only secret to wipe out. Can wipe my career.
He want to bring the man secret now. May not wipe his career. People they tell and say, open the secret. All this tafia collar, they want the man secret to be leaked. Now so they always they keep a man secret too. He must to keep men secrets. He don't have choice. He they keep secret for man. He never keep your husband out finish. Good morning, votes. He never keep your husband out finish. Listen, no. He said the man are mafia. They look at he saying the mother of mafia. He go talk on that. All this one will take and go court.
Especially when I do for you. You want to kill me.
Yeah.
So you make with betrayal. So you make with betrayal. The
Please, guys, share. Now here I go to do video for now, For now, because they go bring my page down. They got that see 80 people bring my page. They carry go. They pay money. Make they carry go.
He's very tired. This whole thing is just stressing me. I said, what is it again? He said, blessing still they call him.
He said, blessing. That's the person that the mother. Una the name when you call her name na blessing. When the mother, they after they delete her, the girl come they appear for dream. They appear for dream for this one, appear for dream for the man, appear for dream everywhere. The girl they tell them say, "Well, now delete me, come on for this in my life." Popo.
You sure say that girl no be spirit? Because I don't understand. When they tell you say in needs. Because make you when you may blessing the blessing where you
go vanish. Before you go say you want ask the girl question, the girl don't vanish. That year, we will go back to the 1960s. Nigeria's free us for independence. All the video. God will bless Beatrice. He's bringing every galash. Now the hearer. He say ready to buy the man. After they have buy the blessing come up for life. You think the way you do blessing can do me like that? Now me be a papa popo.
He can say he's very tired.
He said I keep secret for the man. He tell us, he say, they tell the wife, say, you don't know your husband. Now she know her. How can you know person your husband more than your wife?
Please, this is the time you tell the world the truth.
You see there? You see that the way where they push her enter that side. You see the way they are pushing them? Oh, yeah, say the truth. Bring the truth out. Say the truth. If they keep up a dome Ebola. Oh, GPC, me una de jubilate, una don't win. Una fit bring carry my page now. Akpakpa popo.
I should not say anything. So that the mafia husband and mafia wife will say, I tell you, I don't know why we're winning. You were in where the record the year. The record the year, man, go back. We are still on the way.
Guys, share. Because today, this is the first video I will do here. Because today, I have to go to work. I have to clock in for my working place by 3 o'clock. Today, I'm doing double. Come back the next day. That's why I'm working. Maya. Last night, this woman couldn't sleep. He said, get peace. If you have peace, why can't you sleep? You didn't go work.
Catch one person, say, I really slap her. You go talk who they give her all this nonsense. Now, Mama Wella. If you know, say you not fit putting anything for Nigeria, I don't say you bring out on Facebook. I got two and they will make a lamb with you.
If they accuse the man, say if the man will feel bump, he will be like his son. Because the man they claim his son.
presenter. On an hour say na no bomb and just see my well at the lead presenter am boni here. Am boni here. When you get me kwanye presenter, am boni here. And then we only go along to be like me. Okay, you be on the me. What will papa imagine? Here you will go your ho.
Oh, pensez au savoir where you go, you see the beg. People when God not put for higher position for where you did, they know they beg.
Presenter is not the problem. Now you do good for where they beat you, now be the problem.
You know that one. Good way I do for you, now they beat me put. So you are the problem of my life.
Just because that one, that secret where Papa will say keep for her.
This girl, now be the problem when I get to. Make I bring her. This girl. We are now. Oh, you know they here. Let me see. Guys, oh. I never saved that picture. Yeah? Never save her. Oh, well, old school. Yeah. Old school. We are going to be bringing old school. You know, now we're ready to go court. We are bringing the old skeletons before we can't go to courts. All the old school, we will be screen recording all of them and keep it. It's our evidence. So that when we get to court, we know the year it start bullying people. We will know the year this woman start destroying people. We will know the year when this woman starts working here. I think that my page he carry my life. He carry my children. Una not happy say not carry my children. Una not happy say not carry my life. Wait a minute. Alright, one sec, brother. You dey hear me? Una not happy? Out of this thing now, 80 people report my page. They carry go. I can't tell them say they win. Anyhow, they don't win. No, they feel carry my 2 page down. They carry Beatrice Okpaika talk show down. They carry Jennifer CEO. They carry down. I can't tell them. Adumu. I can't tell them where done. Una try now. I like yeki pass evil people. You see, say in my side we are not evil. My side, they know they do evil. You know they push them, say go sign. They go really wrong. Because you people are evil. That's why you people they sweet now. Una they wrong. Person when you are in get problem, you know if you bring your pay down. You understand? Listen to me. Nelly they bully her children. Do you hear say no Okpaika they bully her children? Abina, Monica, they bully my children. You say, Nelly, they bully her children. Do you hear say, Nami, they bully her children? Abi agbomo babero. Na agbomo suba. Me no we. Grace John. Me wesa agbomo eriwe binyuwe. Huh? Na agbomo suwe. Mo no we. Man, no way. I they ask you question. About popo. You dey feel me? And they come. I be one show now many of them when don't report me. They are so fast. Yesterday their madam was so happy. Thank God you feel good, report the pay down. Yay, was happy. Okpaika, I tell you. Now you know good. People don't like you. If people like you, they will join you, they report my page. Is that a word? You not come, you lie again and again. And then I'm going to report you for Netherland. It's a word, boy. Esewe o gbuwe when se aya gbuwe eri oge aya nyema onyema nyize onyebe aya no ragbo no munwe o ma na su egbe bi we do herite If you were here, do anything, Monuka no be Bruce. Ajala. Obokan Bruce. Your children will come and inherit the lie you lie on me every daily basis. It will never be well with your household. Somebody do something because you know you cannot go to Nelly Black. Nelly Black is so powerful. That's why you are doing what you are doing. You say, okay, I will go catch the mama. I catch the mama. Hey, my people, when follow me for this page, they put love and like. Maybe later they feel come for this one, come carry all. If I not still see this one again, you know, say me, I want rest, I want rest. Until I open another page. Una dey hear me? Akpakpak popo. Una dey hear? If una not see this one again, my people, una gonna say they don't see carry am. Now this one they never report now. Maybe they don't dey kuluboyo. Oni I tell you kulu. They won't come carry. Anybody will say, Nelly, they insult the children. He said, na me won't come carry. But mo ba vero. Bibalo, boss suba. Ama igbo mo suba. Agbi mi ba suba. Banya. Una go do bad. Una come catch me. You, what be your name, safe? Whether na mumu constant. If to say na you are here ki the quarrel, I'll come join here ki the saga you. You see how you mumu rich. Your mumu they smell. Your mumu they smell. Saba. All of una when say una be blogger wey dey there, una mumu to the smell. He don't tell una my address, my name na be. Mona come now waiting. And they wait for that lawyer paper. And they went gonna go my working place, shame and disgrace. Now I will take home. You know what is called shame? My work is not agency. My NHS job is not what they call it? It's not agents, which they can send you away. They can drive you like a goat. When all your video is there, when you take bully people, children. You think you can come my working place and tap. By the time I will be releasing your video to them. Even when I go to Nigeria, all your video that I have all of them. When you start insulting me, insulting my mother, who will tolerate that one? I react now, you are crying. Why are you crying? You stupid. Oh yeah, come outside, come they happy. You don't carry my page. Oh yeah, come happy. Oh. If you're not happy, Ogun will kill you. If you not right, rub native chalk. Okpaika. Come and rub powder. Beggy, come and rub powder. You must rub powder for my case. You must rub powder for widow. I swear to God, for this year to run out, one of you must turn to widow. For this year to run out, one of una member, he go turn to widow. If it not happen, you not say, I'm not from above him like that. One of una must to cry on her husband. So that una go turn to widow. When we they beg money, they give. After all, most of una are single mother by stupidity. The one when get husband inside. When say, he you not want, make they support widow people. Make they support people where not their husband. When they hear me so, when he say, make I not support the village people that is suffering, one of you must turn to widow. If man day, you will be widower. Okpaika popo. I'm not going to pay money to do it. I'm free. Now free. So guys, let me go and bath. I want to tell you, help me to share this video. Like, if you don't like, please start liking this video. Okay. If you not like me, they will still come carry this one. Oh. And if you know they put love and like, they will still come carry. You understand? Make sure you like the video. You just to tap love and like, put on there. And right comment, put love. If not, if they can't carry this, now no go see me again. Well, now they see me on TikTok and YouTube. Oh. I go subscribe to my YouTube, Mommy B TV. Mommy B TV is my YouTube channel. Okay? Mommy B TV. Maybe for now safe. Maybe for now safe. Now YouTube I will go. Because me, I want wear my knicker. You know, say fight. Fight never start to. Now for Facebook. Now they hear me. You see what I do just now? See my footsteps. You know when you want fight, you have to set very well. So that we'll go fight the fight, come up for YouTube and TikTok. You understand? Like this, when you want fight. Not be say you want fight, just say, I know your address. I know your that address, don't worry. In name na you are no more, in name whatever. You think I care? Now you are not telling people that the name I'm bearing on my Facebook is not my name. Who is this one? They don't they cry. Me cry. I'm on my Facebook. They don't they cry. Where did they beat they don't they cry. I'm on my Facebook. They don't they cry. They don't they cry. Who want join me cry? Nobody. Who want join me cry? Nobody. Who want join me cry? What bell? Now they beg. Monica go to school. You are the beggar. Do you know that? See then. Even this one. Now God win. You two, you go report me. Oh yeah, sorry for you. But all of them just inherit. What you are not supposed to inherit. My daughter now they message me with make I see. Waiting now they message me. Oh, hey, Mona, where they come? These children have voice note now. Mama, please call me. I'll do that. I'll call you from Jamie. I'm gonna do that. Mona, don't worry. I'll do that. Now voice notes you drop. Now I can't play it, my love. I can't play it. No. I don't want anybody to hear on her voice. Mona, don't worry. When I finish, now God win. You too. You go report my page. Hey, yeah. I'm so sorry for you guys. You don't ever see me coming here begging to eat or to feed my family. Is you people yaki fans they come here? I be yaki no back. Now fans, somebody like patient Sunday. I always feed his family. Give her money. No time I share money, he will never bring accounts. I do bad thing for him. But it's the one who come here. He's the one first go interview Ukinebo when it costs wahala. He tell me, mommy, I call Ukinebo. Hey, Ukinebo. He go tell the Yoki Boa. Fight boss. He still come my side. Let them play what in me talk. Make people go or feed on me by the way. You people cannot play what I said. It is where in America. You are coming here to watch me. They are coming here to watch. Hey, yeah. Make everyone stop fighting. Everyone stop fighting. I beg you. We just they start, my darling. The fight not be here. Until we will go to court. You know? Until in France. In France go donate money given. Make we go to court. That court will they sweet me. So that he go know a boundary. Next time, if somebody will not their house, you know go find trouble with her. Everything we do when I did Nigeria, I get all. Thank God I have all. I they go, Gary. I love you guys. See, 80 people report. Hey, yeah. So now collect my page. Oh, yeah, me so me. Una collect my page like this. Abakpakpak popo. I don't want make you be like me. Who was this? Now bye bye you, my fans. Mona share this video any day, but today I might be busy. No, I might be. I will be very busy because today I have to wake up 1 o'clock, leave this house 2 o'clock, start my work 3 o'clock. You know, before I no need to tell you now una expo about work, and I will come and use it to teach you maybe here or TikTok. How to know your community guideline in working place. You see? And don't ever send somebody money with your real accounts. Monesu. It's like I know. That's why I didn't send you money with my real account. Now, you for don't talk. You know now, Jennifer. Because I say Jennifer CEO for my Facebook. You are Papa Popo. Una go cost my name na no be Beatrice Okpaika again o. Na Okpaika Pororo. Eh? Any people they say be una pikin name no be Beatrice again o. They say na Jennifer name o. They want to change your children name o. Okpaika Puru. Yeah. Who write that? Always so now Facebook fights. And now we want go court for. He said we will go court to. You know say that they drag and go court. He must still drag me go court now because in a court management. He say he know my house. He say he get my address where I take send earring. I send a bag. I send a shoe. I send a what? I send a again. Ring. Now he won't come report my. He won't come bring the waiting. He not bullet one come my house. In case from today, if anything do me, and they come for work, they will let me. Una no say na Monica Ambruso or una see say they pour chemical for my body. Una no say na Monica Ambruso. He with the gang go. And they tell una now. Mona go right and down. Una they hear me? Now good way I did for when I do for her. Now they beat me put to I say I use my address, send her name, send her something. And the thing when I send her, what I right put? You never holla. The name where you receive gift. What will be the name? Where be say in case if they don't meet you for her, they will return her back to the owner. I dey go job. If you like, now be my name. What you go do? Now my real name. What will happen? All those your useless caller when not go school. Then they tell you say, I know where he's working. If you know where they work, what happen? If you know where they work, what they happen? Hello? Money. Money. They say now they report, then they go report my page. You understand? So now the day done the no be mugu. No worry if I finish for line before you talk to me. Yeah? See your life. Grace John. See your life. What be this one? I'm not be coming yourself. Wait now. Hello? He na the carry o. They carry my 2 page o. Yeah, Okpaika Popo. You don't know them. Wait now, make I come up for here first. Make me and you talk. Yeah? Follow this page. Follow this page. Follow this page. Follow this one. Yeah? Not be you they follow yourself. You never follow me. Hello, how you tell? No, follow this one. I go send that to you. I go send that for you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. Later. Akpakpakpakpo. If they can't write nonsense, I will question. What if they write for you? They write. They carry a thing. And they cry. Cry for say who die now. Say who did die. Now they beg for dear. Me, I know they beg. What? So guys, let me go because I have to sleep in time, okay? Please, people, support Mama. Thank you. Favor TV, thank you so much. Guys, Mona, share and support me. Guys, share and support. Guys, share and support, okay? Support me. They say I go cry because na Facebook they down you down. I beg you. See you guys later. Who do bad, we go know. Who do good, we go know. Not be now, we will talk about. The end shall tell. We are here now. If your hand is clean for everything when they happen, God will must shine your shine. If their hand not clear, God must to say something to pay them back. I love you guys.